Have you ever stared at that blinking cursor? You know, you draft what you think is a perfectly clear AI prompt, you hit enter, and then, well, you just hold your breath.
Oh, yeah. Hoping the AI actually gets what you mean. It's a pretty universal feeling, I think.
Totally. And you, our listener, you've probably been on this exact journey. Maybe you've even checked out some of our previous deep dives on YouTube. We introduced some foundational ideas there.
We did. Things like the Universal Content Analyzer, the AI-aware rules engine,
Hmm.
concepts aimed at turning that, frustration into actual function.
Helping users move from just prompting to really directing the AI.
Exactly. We used analogies like building a professional kitchen for your AI, laying some groundwork.
Right, good groundwork. But today we're going way beyond that. This isn't just a revisit.
No, definitely not.
We're unveiling what we're calling the complete production version of the prompt optimizer. It's packed with fundamental architectural fixes.
It's a big leap, not just an update.
It really is. It's a profound change in how the system understands, refines, and maybe most importantly, validates your AI requests.
That validation piece is huge.
Think of it like moving from seeing a blueprint to actually walking through a fully built, super resilient, intelligently automated smart home.
Nice analogy. It captures the shift from concept to concrete reality.
So today we're going to explain exactly how this advanced system works, how it's designed to totally transform your interactions.
And what really sets this version apart from anything you might have seen or heard about before.
Our mission really is to show you how this version doesn't just tweak your prompts, it fundamentally changes how you interact with AI. It gives you, unprecedented control and reliability.
And that's the core of it. We're moving from those maybe more theoretical, exciting ideas to something genuinely robust, production ready.
Meaning?
Meaning it tackles critical stability issues. Things that might have popped up in earlier, less mature versions, they're addressed.
Yeah.
And we've added vital new components.
So it's reliable, like really reliable.
Exactly. Reliable and intelligent in a way that was more aspirational before. It's built for demanding real-world use, flawless, consistent performance.
Okay, let's dig in. Let's talk about what we're calling the foundational shift, this corrected and comprehensive rules engine.
Right. At the absolute heart of this whole system is the AI-aware optimization rules engine.
The intelligent brain, you called it, or a master chef.
Yeah, either works. It takes your raw input, sometimes vague input, and enriches it. It adds expert-level detail before any large language model, any LLM, even gets a look.
And this is the complete production version, with all critical fixes.
That's right. And in practical terms, that means foundational glitches, like tricky parsing issues, rejects, back reference problems is the technical term.
The kind of thing that could subtly mess up how it reads your prompt.
Precisely. Those are resolved. So you get rock-solid reliability. It won't get tripped up by complex wording.
Okay, good.
And we've integrated crucial missing components. There's a final result validation safety net, plus enhanced validation with comprehensive rollback safety.
Rollback safety, so it won't break my original prompt.
Exactly. It's incredibly safe.
Yeah.
It's designed not to break or corrupt your prompt. Always stable. Always predictable output.
Okay, so we have this super smart, reliable brain. What kind of rules does it actually use? You said it's not one size fits all.
Far from it. The breadth is really impressive. Take the hotfix rules, for example.
Hotfix?
Yeah, think about a simple question like, what is X? And AI might just give you a definition.
And stop there, yeah.
But these rules, they transform that basic query. It becomes a request for a comprehensive explanation, including key concepts, examples, and context.
Ah, so it anticipates you want more than just the dictionary definition. You want to understand it.
Exactly. It turns a simple thought into like a mini research brief, all before the LLM sees it.
That's clever. What about more specialized stuff? Technical things?
Oh, absolutely. The technical rules are powerful. Consider the technical documentation enhancement rule. Instead of just asking the AI, write docs, the system structures that. It turns it into a professional outline. Overview, getting started, detailed documentation.
It knows what good docs look like.
It anticipates the need. Same for the technical debugging enhancement rule. It gives the LLM a structured framework for debugging requests.
So error codes, logs, code snippets, all that stuff.
All the necessary context, yeah, in the right format, every single time, for a precise, effective fix.
That's a massive improvement over just throwing an error message at the AI and hoping for the best.
It really is. And it's not just tech. We have business rules, too.
Like for marketing.
Exactly. The marketing content enhancement rule. Instead of vague, make some marketing stuff, It generates a strategic brief,
Hovering.
audience, core message, desired emotion, calls to action, even structure for conversion. A whole strategy.
Wow. And academic.
Yep. Academic rules turn basic research ideas into scholarly frameworks, research design, lit review, data analysis methods, findings. It guides the LLM towards a high-quality outline.
From idea to publishable outline, basically.
That's the goal.
What about images? People generate a lot of images with AI now.
Good point. The image generation rules add detailed specifications. Composition, visual style, lighting, even technical specs like resolution and aspect ratio. It pushes for high-quality, precise images.
Making sure the AI gets the details right.
And for really critical stuff like code generation, there are expert rules. Things like expert technical precision and expert safety requirements.
Meaning the code is robust. Includes error handling.
Yes. And adheres to security best practices, considers edge cases. It's about building trust in what the AI generates.
Okay, that is a lot of rules. So how does this intelligent brain manage all that? How does it apply them smartly without, going overboard or losing the nuance in my original request?
Great question. That's where the real elegance comes in. It's not just blindly applying rules.
Yeah.
No, it uses dynamic thresholds. Think of it like a human tutor adjusting based on your skill. Rules aren't just switched on or off. Activation depends on the rule's priority, the context, and even your prompt's sophistication score.
Sophistication score. So it knows if my prompt is basic or advanced.
Exactly. A basic request might trigger more help, more rules, than one that's already well-crafted.
That makes sense.
And it ties into weighted goal scoring. The system understands the goals of your prompt.
Like clarity or making it actionable.
Precisely. Clarity, actionability, structure, conciseness. It applies rules that align with those goals. It can even give partial credit if a rule helps related goals. It enhances your intent, doesn't derail it.
And how does it avoid getting confused by, say, polite phrases, could you please, or I was wondering if...
Yeah, multi-layer pattern matching. It's designed to see through that conversational padding.
So it finds the real request underneath the politeness.
Exactly. It guarantees rules trigger correctly, based on the core directive, not the fluff around it.
That's incredibly smart. Okay, so we have the rules, we have the smart application, but what's pulling the strings? What orchestrates all this?
Right, that brings us to the intelligent commander, the enhanced prompt optimizer itself, and its advanced architecture.
The air traffic controller.
Perfect metaphor. It brings all these sophisticated components together, working in harmony, and this is truly the complete architectural fixes version.
What does that mean for stability, performance?
It means full settings manager integration with concurrency control. Basically, it can handle lots of requests at once without choking, stable performant, even under load.
And errors. What if something hiccups?
Enhanced error handling with comprehensive fallbacks. The system is incredibly resilient. If one part struggles, it recovers seamlessly or finds another way. Your optimization won't just stop.
That's crucial for production use.
Absolutely. And this commander, it deeply understands your intent. Context is king. Right.
Always.
So the enhanced sophistication detector analyzes your prompt. Basic, intermediate, advanced, or expert.
And that tells it how much help I need.
Exactly. It's like that tutor instantly gauging your level. Then there's the enhanced AI context detector.
What does that do?
It figures out the purpose of your prompt. Is it technical automation, image generation, human communication, LLM interaction?
And it always finds the right context.
Yes, using multi-layered fallback context detection. Even if it's ambiguous at first, it digs deeper to find the most relevant context, ensures the right optimizations are applied.
What about prompts with mixed content, like instructions and code?
The Universal Content Analyzer handles that. It intelligently separates different parts, instructions from code, data from narrative. It even assesses the transformation risk for optimizing certain bits.
Transformation risk.
Yeah, like how much change is safe or appropriate for that specific type of content.
And this whole context building thing is fast and reliable.
Yep, protected by timeout and error isolation. It won't get stuck.
Okay, now you mentioned something about routing. That sounds important, especially for developers.
Extremely important. The enhanced routing strategy. This isn't just a simple if-then. It's a sophisticated decision maker.
And the key thing is deterministic routing.
Bingo. Deterministic routing means for a given prompt and context, it will always pick the same optimal optimization path.
Like rules-based or LM-based.
Or creative estuary, debug template, self-consistency, whatever's best for that specific situation.
That predictability is huge. No more guessing games about what the optimizer will do.
It's a massive win for consistency and reliability.
And you mentioned feature flags, too, for flexibility.
Right, modular control. You can dynamically turn capabilities on or off in the configuration, like enabling or disabling the validation layer or tweaking the sophistication detection.
Giving users fine-grained control.
Nice. So after all this smart analysis, routing, and optimization, we need that final quality check.
The uncompromising judge.
Exactly. The Enhanced Validator 2.0, the critical quality guardian.
And it goes way beyond just a basic spell check.
Oh, far beyond. It's specifically tailored for prompt optimization. This is a key differentiator.
How so?
Well, for instance, it intelligently figures out if the optimized output is still an instruction for the AI.
Or if the AI jumped the gun and started doing the task.
Precisely. You ask it to structure a story prompt, you don't want it writing once upon a time, the validator catches that.
Ow!
Using completion detection patterns. It looks for narrative openings, code function definitions, things that indicate the task is being done, not just instructed. It ensures you get a refined instruction.
That's brilliant. That solves a really common annoyance.
It does. And it also checks for sufficient instructional language,
Meaning?
making sure it's clear to the LLM what to do. Using instruction indicators like please provide, ensure that, structure this as.
Clear commands.
And another key improvement, checking for subject preservation in instructions.
So my prompt about quantum physics doesn't accidentally become instructions for gardening?
Exactly that. The core topic is maintained, but it's expertly converted into an effective instructional form. No topic drift, just enhanced clarity and direction.
That's huge for maintaining intent.
It is. And the validator does more too. Context-aware validation rules, like allowing more expansion for code prompts than image prompts.
Makes sense.
Semantic overlap checks to ensure the topic hasn't subtly shifted. Corruption detection for garbled output. Critical safety checks. Parameter preservation, even code syntax validation.
It sounds incredibly thorough.
It is. And it offers different validation modes. Fast, standard, strict, development, so you can choose how rigorous you need it to be.
Flexibility again. Okay, so connecting this back to maybe what people saw before on YouTube.
Right, those earlier deep dives, like from frustration to function or from prompting to directing.
We used analogies like the professional kitchen, the 4 steps, intent, protect, template, learn.
Good introductory concepts. They laid out the vision.
But this deep dive, what we're discussing now, really shows how those concepts have evolved into a powerful, mature engine.
Absolutely. That simple template engine idea, it's now this dynamic, context-aware rules engine with weighted scoring and resilient matching. Far more sophisticated.
And the constantly learning aspect.
Feel formalized. Comprehensive settings management, feature flags, granular metrics for structured improvement. It's systematic now.
And the stuff about AI debugging fails.
That whole concept is now powered by a system with complete architectural fixes. It uses versatile 3-language templates.
Handling code, natural language, structured data.
Yes. Plus, robust context extraction. And crucially, that enhanced validation engine.
The one that ensures the output is always an instruction.
Always an instruction, not an incomplete solution. That prevents those frustrating partial answers. It guarantees the AI knows its job is to help you solve the problem.
Not try to solve it for you prematurely.
Precisely.
And where we previously introduced the overall prompt optimizer server and the model context protocol,
Now we're unpacking the engine inside that server.
we're showing how the server delivers on promises like control, transparency, privacy.
Exactly. This robust, validated, intelligent core logic is what makes those promises real. It's the machinery inside.
So let's boil it down. What does this mean for you, our listener, interacting with AI day to day?
The value is immense. First, unprecedented reliability because of the fixes, the validation.
Yeah.
It's built for production. Consistent, high-quality results.
Peace of mind, essentially.
Definitely. Second, precision and control. You're not just getting slightly better prompts. You're getting prompts meticulously crafted, validated for clarity, tuned to your specific intent, including preserving the subject while making it instructional. Less guesswork for you.
Getting the AI to do exactly what you want.
That's the aim. Third, efficiency. Optimized templates, asynchronous processing, stream processing. It all means real-time performance. No lag, even with complex stuff.
Fast and effective.
And fourth, transparency. Features like chain-of-thought reasoning, streaming output. you can actually see how the prompt is refined.
Builds trust and understanding,
It does.
which leads to the ultimate benefit.
Empowerment.
Exactly. It lets you stop just prompting and really start directing the AI, turning vague ideas into precise, actionable directives every time.
Getting the AI to work for you how you need it without endless trial and error frees you up for the big picture.
So to wrap up, we've gone from your raw prompt through this fundamentally evolved system.
Optimized, validated, context-aware, thanks to architectural fixes, the corrected rules engine, the intelligent
And the
validator,
really big takeaway, the thing that sets this apart,
is its ability to go beyond the literal words, to
Right.
truly grasp and act on your intent.
because of all those underlying improvements, the fixes, the rules, the validation.
That's the core of it.
So here's a final thought to leave you with. With AI systems now capable of this level of precise, validated, context-aware optimization, truly understanding our intentions with this kind of reliability.
What becomes possible?
Exactly. What previously impossible problems will you dare to tackle next? What new frontiers will this level of control unlock for AI interaction and application?